First of all, good morning.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. So let's start from my in, from introduction.
Yes.
So may I first, this is Dharambir Singh, and I'm from Bihar, Gopalganj district. And if we talk about my qualification, so I have done my graduation and diploma also. Recently, I have done my NIVOS examinations, and I'm a safety officer, and I am doing a job in the private sector at the Mali right now.
Where? Maldives.
Maldives, yes. Shortcut name Mali. Yes,
Maldives. It's a very good,
yes,
I think, for tourist purpose.
yes.
Yes.
It is the tourist place.
Mm. Okay, now I am giving my introduction. I am Tanya and
Yes.
I am connecting with you from Rajasthan. I'm a
Okay.
homemaker and apart from this, I have started my YouTube channel also for learning and improving my English skills.
Okay.
That's all about me. Okay, something tell me about Maldives. You are
Yes.
currently living in Maldives.
Yes, ma'am.
So something tell me about Maldives. Why people go there for vacation? Is there anything special?
Yes. Actually, ma'am, Maldives is a hub of good island and good views. You can see good islands and sea also. You can ride driving and submarine rides. You
Mm-hmm.
can do like things, yes. And the maximum foreigners comes to visit for uh,
Mm-hmm.
sauna bath and do these things like driving, scuba diving, and submarine rides. Yes, you can see fish. What name? Many fish you can see, big fish. Yes, like
Okay.
whale. Yes, yes.
Okay, why are you learning English?
Actually, ma'am, as you know, I'm a safety officer and I am working in and I have planned to move Gulf country. So, as you know, without English, we can't move any countries because my work is little higher. So we need to talk top management and local persons. So that time we need to talk and need to convince them in English. That's why I'm trying to learn English.
Sometimes you feel that your local language is barrier for your development,
Yes, yes,
for your growth also. That's why you
right.
have to take decision.
Yes, I
You
have
should learn
decided.
it. Mhm.
Yes,
Because I think in Maldives so many foreigners come every year, and now you are planning
yes,
for going Gulf countries also. So
yes,
definitely language is different.
yes, yes, ma'am. Without English, without English knowledge, we can't move anywhere
Yes.
because you know, everyone, all globals going to from English speaking. So
Mm.
we need English. So that's why I'm quite
I
serious
think
about English
if
learning.
you have interest to going any other country, that time English is very needed because in
Yes, yes.
right
Also,
now a
you
language.
should you can face interview in English. So if
Hmm.
you don't know about English, so how can you attend your interview?
Okay, all time interviewer ask all the question in English.
Yes, yes, everything.
I think first requirement is also speaking English.
Yes, yes, ma'am. That's right. That's right.
If, I think if you don't know like how to speak in English, it will I think you can say in a negative point. that you don't
Yes,
know?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, um, before um, 2 years ago, I couldn't
Mm-hmm.
speak English. But whenever we come here and came here and we faced many problems to related conversations. So that's why I'm feeling shy and nervous. I should convince them in English, but I don't have any knowledge. How can I convince them? So that's why I'm decided. No,
Mm-hmm.
we should work on English communication skill.
How many
Yes.
conversations have you done? Conversations.
Uh, Not too much, ma'am. You are 4, 5 ladies talking with you. Yes, you are
After four,
four,
five,
5 person.
okay, after 4 or 5, now you can
Yes.
realize that right now you are not feeling like you are shy. Uh, right now you are making some confidence also. Do you think?
Yes,
Like,
yes, 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 ma'am. Because I remember my first conversation.
mm-hmm,
That time I was very scared. What can I say? So, uh, but I did when I did 3, 4 sessions. So some confidence will came. Came, and then I will talk easily.
mm-hmm.
Yes, and you know I'm doing many mistakes. You can find it. You can rectify, man. No problem. I'm comfortable.
It's okay. First of all, I'm not a teacher. I'm also a co-learner like you.
Yes, but your speaking is very good now. So that's why I'm.
If you are taking continuously session with someone like YouTuber, like
Yes.
teacher also, you can say, after some time you also feel that automatically your confidence build up.
Right, man.
And first thing which I always said my co-learner, first of all, you should build up some confidence, face-to-face conversation. After that, you should think about English learning.
Right, man. But I think I need some vocabulary and uh, some vocabulary and also what are the meanings I need.
Hmm.
Can you tell me, ma'am, any ideas how can I develop and how can I build my communication and word meaning?
There are two, three steps I think must. First of all, you should consume English content which you like most, like English cartoon, also English movies.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can also watch Hindi movie also with subtitles. It will be very
Yes.
helpful. And second thing, you should watch some vocabulary shorts
Okay.
because I think you have not so much time for writing.
Yes, I do not get time in during job period, so uh, it is too much. I'm facing too much problem, so that's
Yes,
why I'm trying to uh, um, give a time for me and for my communication skill. Yes.
yes. First of all, you should watch some kids cartoon because in that cartoon you will get very simple sentence structure.
Okay. Oh
And you should
yes.
read the story, I think 2 or 3 times, not one time, 2 or 3 times. After that, all the sentence structure, vocabulary will, I think, fit in your mind.
Okay.
And second thing, you should watch some vocabulary shorts also.
Short vocabulary, no?
Yes. No, there are
Yes.
some
Yes.
long videos and some are shorts videos, which are, I think, 15 or 60 seconds.
Okay.
You should watch daily for vocabulary building. And
Okay.
if you have
Definitely.
time, then you should do writing practice also. If you
We
have time,
can't get time,
you
and
should.
you, as you know, my duty timing. 10 hours, ma'am, 10, 11 hours. So
Mm-hmm.
it is very difficult. And
Yeah, it will not.
yes,
It will
after
not.
finish my job time, I got tired and can't uh, we can't focus on my any uh,
Mhm.
reading or study. You can understand.
So the I think most important, you should more and more listen and more speak.
Yes, actually, ma'am, my listening power is very good. I can understand and I can learn by easily by listening and watching videos or anything. Yes, I can learn easily. Yes,
Mhm. But you are saying your speaking skill is weak.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
and
only
my
one way.
communication.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
and
Carry on.
my due to lackness of vocabularies and word also. Yes,
I
I'm
think
going
go
strong.
for whenever you get time, you should do conversation
Okay, but ma'am,
because
uh,
speaking.
don't have too much partner, co learner partners.
Mhm.
Yes,
Like
I
you are doing
can talk with him.
conversation with me,
Yes,
I'm giving you idea. Like I think you have done 4 or 5 sessions. Okay. Now you have
yes.
done session with me. After 5 days, you can again ask me. After 5 days, you can again ask some other YouTuber which have already take
Okay.
session with you
Yes.
because you are and that YouTubers also know each other, so they can understand your problem.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. Because when you go a new YouTuber, I think sometimes you face some problem also.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So that is the reason. Like after 5 days, 6 days, you can do again session with me, and some other YouTuber. I think they have given you time also for conversation. You can also repeat.
Okay.
Yes, have I think given you idea. You
Yes.
can after 5 days you can another conversation with me, and I think you have done 4 or 5 sessions with another one. You can again repeat this process.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, because they
Thank you,
know
ma'am.
your problem very well. What's your problem? Like I
Yes, yes.
also understand that there is some problem in speaking part, not listening part.
Right, ma'am. My
Yes,
problem is speaking. Right.
yes. And I think you will get rid of this problem by speaking, more and more speaking.
Right, right, ma'am.
And never think that
Yes.
you are not speaking correctly. You should just try to speak
Yes.
and don't
Okay.
judge
If
yourself.
can't.
I'm saying don't judge yourself that you are not speaking correctly. In the beginning, everyone is facing this kind of problem.
Okay, okay. Yes. Right, ma'am. You're right.
Because in the beginning, I also face this kind of problem also. That's why I'm saying you should always speak and
Yes.
speak. Never think who
Okay.
will criticize you that you are not speaking correctly.
Oh, yes, yes. Many people are, whenever I talk with my friends in English, so some people are laughing me and they're kidding with me. You are, तुम अंग्रेज बन रहे हो ऐसे करके.
But you know,
So
they are not understanding this time English is very compulsory. If you don't know how to speak English,
yes, yes.
I think you will not get any good opportunity.
Good opportunity. Yes, yes.
Yes,
You are, and you will not go without English.
yes. And you know, there are so many YouTubers also, and you can give session, you can take sessions also. You don't need your friend.
Yes.
I think
Okay.
who are laughing at you, I think you don't need them. Yes.
Sure.
You,
Yes.
you should do more and more practice with your co-learner. who are very passionate like you.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Definitely, ma'am. I will.
yes.
Actually, ma'am, it is my dream, and I'm very passionate about English. But due to lackness of knowledge and due to environment, I couldn't speak any word. But when came here and I faced many problems regarding language. That time I feel very shy. That time I decided no. First of all, I have to skill my English communication. So that
Mhm.
it will be help me get good opportunity.
Mhm. And I will tell you one thing. Who are laughing at you? You should say, "Can you have guts to take a session with someone?" I think they will always reply, "No, they can't take session because they have no confidence."
Yeah, right.
In
Yes,
my opinion, English is other thing, but face-to-face conversation, if you are doing it, is another thing. But you should make
right,
some confidence also. After that, you will easily learn any language, whether it is English, any
right,
other language.
right.
Yes, and on this
So
platform, there are so many learners also. You can do practice with them.
yes,
And there is a very good
right.
thing. All are very passionate to learn English, and no one will laugh at you.
Yes.
Yes.
May I know about your reason behind English?
Same reason. I also want become a good English speaker. Also, I want improve my speaking skills. The same reason.
Any short-term goals?
No, I never done any short term course. I just doing speaking practice also and some listening part also.
Okay,
Yes.
that's
And
very
because I'm also a homemaker, so I have no so much time for me for writing.
oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
So you are doing you are a YouTuber. Huh? So what is your YouTube channel name? Your channel name?
I will send the link of my channel. After that, you can watch my video.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Please. Actually, I will I get confidence when I talk with you.
Mhm.
Yes.
No, if you are practice with
Mm.
any other YouTuber, you will also get some confidence because by talking
Yes.
again and again talking, I think you will build up some confidence.
Yes.
And I think
Right.
this is the only way. This is the only way to improving your English skills.
Yes. Practice. Practice. Practice.
Yes, only practice. There is a no key of the
Right.
success without practice. Okay, now I think
Definitely.
this session is very good. We should wrap up this session also. We will meet
Okay,
again
ma'am.
within the next session.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Namaskar.
Have a nice day.